Introducing the 2019 Ford Focus Titanium 5 Door 1.0 Ecoboost 125 in sleek black. This hatchback is packed with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and more for a comfortable and safe driving experience. With security features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can hit the road with peace of mind. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information on how you can drive away in this top-of-the-line Ford Focus today.